The hair has been brushed, so fluffy. I used vinegar and warm water, soaked this overnight, dried, brushed, and it feels and smells so amazing. I'm going to unravel my African braid and start right away. You definitely need to add some moisture to your hair, so I'm using my shea butter mix. Wool absorbs moisture from your hair, which we know can eventually lead to breakage, so definitely make sure you add some moisture to the wool, just like what I'm doing.
crush on you, and that's true, and I'm digging you. Make me believe that your love is
The hair is definitely lightweight, and I would say yes to this hair. I definitely recommend this hair.
The hair is super lightweight. It flows. It's very, very nice, and I'm loving this hair so far. So let's continue. I have 2 more left to braid down.
Apply my shea butter mix
And begin my twist. Place the hair at the base and use the small piece to wrap around the base 2 to 3 times and braid down also like 2 to 3 times. And then I'm going to bring the little piece in the middle, divide it in 2 parts, add it to the others, and twist and cross. You twist and you cross.
So when I get to the tip, I love to brush it out because this hair can really tangle.
Junior watching, I've been your man. Junior watching.
So far so good. The twist is sleek, beautiful, nice, lightweight, and this is how the tip looks. Perfect.
I'll be on my. Tell him this. Did he miss? Junior watching, I'll be on my. I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I'll be on my. Junior watching, I'll be on my. Tell him this. Did he miss? Junior watching, I'll be on my. Ex-strippers, new killers.
As you can see, I'm so happy the back side is done. Yes. Now I'm going to concentrate on the front part.
I have no idea what kind of style I'm going to do at the front part, so keep watching.
I was really not feeling this style, so I had to take it down. I'm creating simple cornrow braids. And it came out nice, gorgeous, just the way I like it. Yes, so simple. I'm going to add some of the Brazilian wool and finish this cornrow. Came out so beautiful. All done now, set and ready to rock.
Let me be honest. I went with the Bucks, boy. Let me be honest. I went with the Bucks, boy. Spirit is on us. Spirit I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the
So in total, I used 3 1/4.
gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas around me, ride or they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a screenshot. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting tense up. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome.
I'm just feeling myself, okay? I'm feeling myself, honey. I'm feeling myself, honey. That is so lightweight. I love it so much. So that'll be all for today. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, please subscribe, like, and share, and see you in my next video. Bye. I love you guys. Mwah.
All the niggas around me, ride or they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in it.